Hi, it's Peter Zalums. Welcome, Griniflix Adventure 8, to another video. And today we're going to be doing some flying with the Mavic 2 drone. And I guess the topic of today's video is about getting your fly minutes in, your flight hours in on a regular basis. Oh, it's so important. I find every time I go for a flight somewhere, I get so anxious. I got an idea in mind, what sort of video I want to do, what sort of outcome I want, what sort of stills I want. But if I haven't flown for a while, oh boy, do you get so anxious and everything. There's so many things that can go wrong. So when flying, what are the things to consider? Obviously, there's a whole bunch of rules and regulations as far as flying is concerned. And they tend to be the same in each country. And the long and the short of it, I suppose, is that you want to be flying safely, you want to stay away from people. And whatever video you capture, you want to be able to air it without getting into trouble, I suppose, are the main aspects of it. But anyway, there's no doubt, if you do have a drone or interested in buying a drone, then there's going to be numerous websites you can go to about what are the regulations in your particular area. Okay, well, having said that, most often when you're doing your droning or aerial photography is that you're going to be by yourself, so you're going to have to do both. You're going to have to take your photographs and you're going to have to fly safely. And there are two modes. Hello. How are you? There are two modes of, well, actually two basic modes. Either you're flying in manual mode or you fly in one of the automatic modes. Either way, you're looking at battery consumption or power consumption during your flight and whether you can actually get your flight done and get back in time before it drops out of the sky. I prefer to fly in manual. I find by the time I get everything set up in order to use automatic modes, I've used up 25% of my battery. And then I see something that I want in the video or some stills, which so you have to go out of your auto mode, and I'm just all over the place with auto modes. That's why I fly manual. Okay, I think I'm getting close to my location here in Little Beach. And we'll put her up and see what sort of things we can get. after flying and videoing or taking stills, and I know that I've finished and I haven't crashed. I feel so relaxed. So much weight off your shoulders, unbelievable. It's such an adrenaline rush to, well, you know, I guess there's 3 stages, you know, going out for a flight, and before you set flight, you're just so anxious, the heart rate's going through the roof and everything. In mid-flight, you know you got to calm down and you just got to focus on what you're doing. And then as the flight progresses, keeping an eye on the battery levels and then seeing what sort of things you can get, just like those fish out there. I wasn't expecting to get that at all. And then when you know that you've got what you want, and there is another point actually during the flight where you say, oh, I'm there, I want to take another shot, I want another video, and your battery life is coming down all the time, and you haven't hit the 25% mark yet, so you haven't got the alarm going off. And but if you're way out, if you're out a kilometre or two, and that 25% mark comes off, the alarm comes on, and you may not get back. And if you're out in the ocean, out in the sea here, there's not much landing point, not many landing points you get onto. That's the end of your drone. Ugh. Anyway, I'm feeling much more relaxed now, knowing that the footage is in the can, as they say in the movie business, and we'll get on to Lightroom, edit some photos. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little movie on drone flying and getting your minutes up and your hours up and all the anxiety that's associated with filming and flying at the same time. So I guess the lesson there is do regular flights with your drone, at least once a month, well, at least every 3 months. Once a month is probably the ideal situation. Do you have a drone? Are you planning to get a drone? I've got 2 drones. I'll do a video maybe of both drones, because there are some significant differences between this one. This one's got the Hasselblad lens and the Phantom 4. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe, do like, and do comment. Love to know what sort of drones you're using. There's so many drones out there now. And look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.